respected principal ma'am, and my dear teachers and students. Today, we all have gathered here to celebrate World Nature Conservation Day. Now, I will tell you some information about World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is an annual event held on July. Primary goals of World Nature Conservation Day. Also, the celebration of emphasize keeping the various components of nature such as flora, fauna, energy resources, soil, water and air intact. In addition, World Nature Conservation Day underlines the need for preserving the environment for future generation. The environment for future generation, we are therefore tasked with the need to leave a healthy planet for those coming after us to enjoy. Next, history of World Nature Conservation Day. Human activities during the last century have had a devastating impact on natural vegetation and other resources in the past few years. There is still a long way to go before positive states show their results. The relentless human overexploitation of resources has led to unusual weather patterns, destructions of wildlife habitats, extinction are non-biodegradable, are an eyesore in your surroundings. Switch to products made of the degradable and natural components instead. The next significance of World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day has very important significance in today's era of globalization, modernization. This is day plays of the vital role in the helping to conserve nature. It is very important to safeguard the current and upcoming generation. There are handful of threats that can make many species go extinct. Some of the examples are illegal wildlife, trading, deforestation, mining, forest fire, single-use plastic and other threats. We need to tackle these threats collectively, conserve natural resources for the sustaining a stable, productive and happy human society. Next, how to conserve nature and its resources. Use water wisely is very important. You use water wisely. Of the total present of the earth, only 1% is available for human use, and the other rest of the water is salty or fresh frozen water. So we need to use water wisely. Very important, everyone. So we need to use water wisely. Next, afforestation. Planting tree is a noble practice. This helps in reducing the incidence of soil erosions. It also helps to maintain ecological balance. It also in ecosystem restoration. And next, use wind and solar energy. Use wind and solar energy. We should replace our sources of energy with wind and solar energy. These are eco-friendly and cheap to use. Furthermore, these do not produce any harmful gases which can cause the depletion of the ozone. Now, the discrete uses of paper. Do you know where paper comes from? Anyone? Trees. Yes, we must preserve and protect the same for our future safeguard. Thank you.
I would like to request Deepika teacher, please come on the stage and tell us our students for the.
Good morning, respected Ashwini ma'am, principal ma'am, dear teachers and all dear students. We all know that we are gathered here to celebrate World Nature Conservation Day. What is
World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day observed internationally to spread awareness regarding the best practices to protect the natural resources, as our earth does not have unlimited amount of things. We need like water, trees, soil, etc. Now I would like to say about save water. Water is the most important element for the preservation of climate. Change has been the decreasing level of drinking water in the past few years. Taking simple steps like ensuring to turn off water taps and checking any wastage of home can save thousands of liters of water in a year. Every individual should try washing only full loads of laundry. If you take a bath using a shower, keep a bucket below it so that the extra droplets are collected in the bucket. You can use it to water plants. While brushing teeth, it's important to turn off the faucet in order to conserve water. Life without water is not possible. We need it for many things including cleaning, cooking, using the washroom and more. Moreover, we can take many steps to conserve water on a national level as well as an individual level. Firstly, our governments must on an individual level, we can start by opting for buckets instead of showers of tubes. How can we conserve water? The government must plan cities properly so our water bodies stay clean. Similarly, water conservation must be promoted through advertisements. On an individual level, we can start by fixing all our leaky taps. Further, we must avoid showers and use buckets instead to save more water. Then next, some more ways to save water. First of all, you should check your toilets for leaks. Put a few drops of food coloring in your toilet tank. Stop using your toilet as an ashtray or waste basket. Use your automatic dishwasher or full load only. Use your automatic washing machine only for full loads only. Don't let the faucet run while you clean vegetables. If you wash dishes by hand, don't leave the water running for rinsing. You should check faucet and pipes for leaks. You should water your lawn only when it needs it. Deep soak your lawn. Don't water the gutters. Use a broom to clean driveways, sidewalks and streets. Don't run the hose while washing your car. You should check for leaks in pipes, hoses, faucets and couplings. From this we can conclude that all in all, we must identify water scarcity as a real issue and it is very dangerous. Further, after identifying it, we must make sure to take steps to conserve it. There are many things that we can do on a national level as well as an individual level. So, we must come together now and conserve water. Okay, students, do you understand? Do you understand? Yes. How to save the water in the home? Understand all of you?
Yes.
See, when there is no use of water, then you should close the tap. Okay? Okay? Okay, students? Thank you.
Ready, go!
To conserve water and to use water wisely, I pledge to consume water judiciously and not waste even a drop of water. I will treat water as the most precious treasure that I possess and consume it accordingly. I pledge to motivate my family, friends and neighbors to use water wisely and not waste it.
that trees are the lifeline of every living being, because every living being is either human, animal or any other organism. Everyone is dependent on the tree. But nowadays, lot of trees are cutted down and number of our jungles are being cleaned just for the sake of fulfilling the greed of a human being. By observing all these issues and problems, a campaign to have Save a Tree is started, which involves taking our possession, rallies and door-to-door campaigning for spreading the importance of saving trees. Trees are very essential for the health of environment and must be saved at any cost. Tree plays an essential role in preventing floods and other natural calamities. Save trees because they provide oxygen, which is essential for our survival. Trees play an significant role in keeping the earth's temperature moderate and livable. Trees act as natural filter by absorbing carbon dioxide and emitting oxygen, means it gives us oxygen. To save trees, minimize the use of a paper or recycle it. If at all you have to use it. Keep your surrounding clean if you want to save the tree from destruction. I am giving two slogans. Just say it with me. If you cut a tree, you kill a life. If you cut a tree, you kill a life. And second one, take care of a tree. They will take care of you. Take care of a tree. They will take care of you. Thank you.
My name is Gargi Chetan Palande. I am studying 3rd standard. My school name is Navyu English Medium School CBSE. Today I am giving speech on the World Nature Conservation Day. We are here to celebrate the World Nature Conservation Day. This day is celebrated on 28th July every year. This day is celebrated internationally. Conservation of nature refers to the optimum utilization of resources. Life on planet depends on the life, availability and condition of our natural resources. Our natural resources consist of air, water, forest, coal, plants and minerals. This day is celebrated to raise the awareness about protecting the nature and conserving the nature. It is also observed to make people understood the importance of the conserving the nature. We should keep nature clean and healthy. Thank you. All of you, my name is Tulza Rajesh Sangram Sirzadura. I am studying 3rd standard. Today I am going to speak about World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28th July every year. It is celebrated to spread awareness about protecting our nature. It is also celebrated to encourage people that plant more and more trees. Our nature gives us soil, minerals, water, air, which are important for us. So we have to save them. On this day, we give a message to everyone that don't waste the water, don't pollute air, don't use plastic and don't cut the trees. So my message is to everyone that please reduce, reuse and recycle our natural resources. Thank you. Ready, go! I study in 1st class. Today is Nature Conservation Day. Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28th July. Nature is our best friend. Nature gives about few words about nature. Nature is a beautiful world. I study in second standard. My school name is Plantation English Medium School. Today is World Conservation Day. Save water for drinking, bathing, washing, cleaning. Good morning, my name is T.S. I study in second standard. Conservation Day to all. Thank you. My school name is English Medium School. My name is Bharat. I am studying third standard. My school name is Navyug English Medium School. Today is World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day celebrated on 28 July every year. This day celebrates to raise awareness about people, global warming, stable and healthy society. Saving plants and animals are main goal of World Nature Conservation Day. Thank you. Very good. I am studying in third standard. Today I am going to tell you a speech about World Nature Conservation Day. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28 July in every year. It is celebrated to raise the awareness about protecting nature and conserving our natural resources. This day is celebrated all across the world. It is also observed to make people understand the importance of the conservation of nature. This day highlights that a healthy environment is necessary for a stable and protective society. It is necessary to create a healthy environment. For our healthy living. Nature provides us air to breathe, water to drink, fruit and vegetables to eat, and shelter to live, etc. Thank you. My name is Asmi Santoshkar. I am studying in third standard. The World Nature Conservation Day is annually on 28 July. The occasion is create awareness to about the need to thank you. Very good. Well, ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends, myself Nisha Gadaram Chaudhary from Standard 4. Today I am speak about World Nature Conservation Day. The World Nature Conservation Day is observed annually on July 28. Nature has provided